Yeah, this is a pile of mess we've accumulated, tearing out windows, framing, walls. We've taken out like 7 loads of junk so far, which means we got quite a few more, but we're getting there. All the windows are in now, all the new windows, so I'll show you that and show you what we've accomplished so far. Inside, I got pictures up of that on my Facebook, so I won't bother with. That's our new storage building. Actually, it's built like one of those tiny houses. It's so strong. Well, all these windows are brand new. That's the door that'll go into the addition. This one just went in today. The nice big kitchen window here. This is the bathroom that's finished off. All that's left to doing that's the plumbing and electrical. But yeah, here's a bathroom. Goes all the way around. There's another big tall window on the other side, on the wood side, so I can see, watch nature and everything. But we get the other load of pine in tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and all this front on the house will be this, like this. And the addition's going to be the white pine too. So all the windows are in as of today. Brand new windows, tilt windows. They're really nice. So we're getting there. It's been a lot of work. So this is why I haven't been making videos lately. We've been really busy here at the house remodeling everything. But I did bring Chewy out today, and I'll put that video up with this one. Yeah, back up quite a bit, like at the end of the metal there. So you rubbed your nose because you wanted to come out, so you're out. Come on. You rubbed into your nose. You've got a boo-boo. I'm going to put some vitamin E on it later. Come on. Come on. You want to come out on your own? I usually don't force them out. I'll let them make the choice. Come on out. He's tasting the toad. The cats were in it. Come on, Muscles. I want everybody to see how big he's got over the winter. Let me see that nose rub. Let me see. Oh, it's not bad. It's just a little scrape. He's fine. Want to come out? Let's go. Want to go play? That's not green grass, Mama. That's not green grass, lady. That's kind of what's.
He's like, who's that standing over there?
Huh?
I said, he's like, who's that standing over there?
It's turning green, huh, Chewy? Yep. See, it's turning green. First trip. Come say hi.
I'm just taking a break.
Well, you can come say hi to him and take a break.
Hi, Chewy. I'm hot.
It is. Oh, I never heard we'd hear it.
You're hot.
I'm hot. Well, take your jacket off.
Yeah, really. After you do this video, take that
jacket
off. My God, I'm sweating in short sleeves.
Well, you're wearing a black shirt, too.
Yeah.
There ain't that much white on it.
You got a little nose rub. Bad boy. I'm going to put some vitamin E on it when we go in. But you can see how big he grew since last year.
Mm-hmm.
That's my honey. Give kisses. Oh, thank you. Who loves you? Huh? Who loves you? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You tried to make me do something I didn't want to do. Yeah, I tell people that all the time. Give them the freedom of choice. If you're always manhandling them and forcing them here, forcing them there, that's being aggressive toward them in their mind.
Right.
And I tell people all the time, think from your snake's point of view, not from your point of view. We got a sunny day here, Chew Monster. I don't like that nose rub. You've never done that before. It's the new enclosures. I sort of expected it, really. New environment, new cages. But I'm just glad they got that soft nylon mesh over the vents, so they can really cut up their nose if it's rough, like aluminum or screening.
He's like,
so
I see you.
It's exactly the same material that's on the screens on those new windows. Yeah. We're out. We're out. Not under the truck. No, I saw you. You look at it and think about it all you want to, but you're not going over there. Now I'm going to manhandle you. Oh. Well, thank you for the kiss. It's still not going to get you under that truck. No, it's not. Hey, Goober. He's my Goober. Oh, my God. He's so heavy.
I bet.
I got to hold you on. He's squishing the back of my neck. It's really usually very therapeutic for my spine damage on top of my spine, but
Right.
when he's got all his weight on you, it's a whole different thing. I look like crap. We've been on a mission. Point the camera at the house. Show everybody why I haven't been making videos. We're remodeling the house. The whole front of it will be that white pine board when we're done. And we're working indoors. He just redid the whole bathroom. That's Roberto, my contractor. He's a sweetheart. A grumpy sweetheart today. What? What? What you doing? Don't you poop on my back. That would not make me happy at all. No, it would. You know, the thing about semi-arboreals is as long as they anchor their tail onto something, they're very comfortable. You're not going under the truck. I know it's what you're working on, but you're not. No.
He's like, Ma, come on.
No. They're stubborn and hard-headed. When they get their mind set to something, give it up. How about that? Concentrate on that. Nope. Don't put it on your tail. That's okay.
He's like, but Mom.
Yeah. There, climb on that. So I'm going to use it as a shortcut to get under that truck. You think you are, but you're not. No, you're not going under the truck. No, you're not. Don't give me any grief. You know I'm harder-headed than you are. Yeah, I am. I'm more stubborn than you are. Look at this valley. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. It's gorgeous.
Right.
Where are you going? Don't bang your nose on anything else. You got a little boo-boo on it. We're going to address that when we go in the house. Our first day out this year, Chewy. So yeah. You're getting back in your tote. You're not going to that
He's
truck.
like, or is this a trap?
Now see how they reason? He knows if he distracts me, and I think he's getting back in here because they get back in here when they're ready to go back into their enclosure.
Right.
He thinks if I think he's getting back in here, he can distract me and come out the other side and go get under the truck.
They're not stupid.
They're not stupid. They're very capable of reasoning and deducting things, figuring things out for themselves. People don't seem to understand that they are thinking, reasoning animals. I don't like a boo-boo on your nose. It's not big, it's really tiny, but I'm so particular about my snakes. Anal retention.
Hi, Chewy.
Yeah, I want them all to be in the best of health. So I'm not happy with your nose rub. He's never done that before. You sound like a ripe watermelon, pal. Where you going?
He's watching my dad like, hey, what's he doing up there? He's looking over there too. He's like, what is he doing?
He's like, that building took my grass away. It's not my grass, it's gone. Hey, make a butt. Make a butt. So all this, I still got my ugly red socks on because my feet were cold last night. Hey, scoop up. Hey, what are you doing? Hi, honey. You're just full of kisses today, aren't you? You're not going under that new storage building either.
He's saying, thank you, thank you, thank you.
No, you're not. No. No, you're not. Nose tap, nose tap. That means you're going the other way. Oh, you got... Be smart. Let's go use that for leverage. Hey, you're not going under there. No, you're not. That way. Say, oh, come on, really? I hate to manhandle my snakes, but you have to when it's a matter of their safety. You know, if they're going somewhere they can get hurt, you got to move them. That's usually the only time I'll manhandle them. I see so many people doing videos, and all they do is just switch the snake from hand to hand, hand to hand. That's being aggressive. Should let the snake flow and do what it wants to, as long as it's not injuring itself or not in a bad situation. But people do that all the time. Manhandle the crap out of them. Showing quality time with the snake is not transferring it from one hand to the other, back and forth and back and forth. Showing quality time with the snake
Hey, Chewy.
is letting it come to you because it wants to be with you, not because you're forcing it to.
Right.
People get that all messed up. I don't know why. It's common sense. No, there's sharp edges on that stuff. You're definitely not going to go play on there. No, no. No metal. Oh, he's watching for birds. Oh, birds. Here we go. Bird hunting.
He
No
is
metal.
too.
No metal. Sorry. No metal.
He's like birds?
He watches for them out here all the time. You can't go bird hunting. There's too much stuff on the yard to hurt you. He's huffing a little. It's your fault. You rubbed your nose. Deal with it.
The huffing is just the air exchange, right?
Big-bodied snakes are notorious for it.
So it's not them being angry necessarily.
No,
they're just
not,
breathing.
Not even. They don't do that when they're angry. They open mouth. If their mouth is open and you hear it, that's a warning. But their mouth is closed. That's just air exchange.
Or if their mouth is open, nothing, no noise is coming out. They're just relaxing their jaw.
Yeah. But they're hugging pine cones. They're kind of rough edges there. Here. What are you doing? You're a goofball. Let me see that nose. Yeah, we're gonna give you some vitamin E. That's why you quit rubbing, because you got your nose sore, bad boy. Oh, I've seen some that were horrible. Looked like the whole end of their nose was scraped off. It left scars and stuff. I'm very particular because I love my babies. Yes, you got a runny nose. The humidity makes his nose run when he comes out.
Alright.
See my shirt? It says naughty by nature. That's what you're capable of being sometimes. I don't want to sit on your tail. Move it over there. There. Go play. Enjoy yourself. But don't get under that truck. He's one of the hugest coastal carpet pythons I've ever seen in my life. That's it, get back in the tote and I'll take you back in. Birdo's got to help his dad probably. You can get in, but you're not going over to the truck.
He's like, that's what you think.
That's what I know. Come on. Want to get back in? Let's go. Want to go back in the house? You're starting to huff a little bit from the sun. Let's go. Come on. Stay down. Stay down. That's a boy. Bring it on in. We'll take you back in so you can cool back down. That's my man. So I'm a good boy. I really am. All my snakes are just awesome. I don't have any mean snakes in my house. You freak Grumpy out though, and
like that little bit of end on his tail is just like so skinny compared to the rest of his body.
He
That's
can hold his
huge.
entire body weight into that tail. Suspend himself by it. Jade used to smack me with her tail all the time. She was perfect too, right on target every time.
Just
she
go
whacked me right across the face when I tried to make her do something she didn't want to do.
That's
Go
her way
back
of
that
telling
dog.
you no.
Bitch slapped the crap out of me with it. She finally quit doing it though. Sorry if I look rough today, everybody, but we've been very busy with remodeling the house and a lot of mess. A lot of obstacles we ran into. It was in worse shape than my contractor imagined, humanly possible, but he's fixing everything that's messed up. And the guy behind the camera is his son, Roberto Jr.
Uh-huh.
You want to go in the house for a while? You done?
Seen me holding Chewy with my dad
Rubbing nose,
month and a half
Yeah.
month and a half ago.
Yeah.
And
You can turn it off.